Hi everybody, my name is Brad Newton. I'm the instructor for the course, for the class. Thanks for tuning in. I'm super pumped. This is going to be a highly valuable course for you because I did this course because I got sick and tired of people being told lies about what it takes to get a six-pack and just how much misinformation there is out there about what it really takes. That you need to do X, Y, Z. You need to take this pill and this supplement. You need to do this exercise and all these other misconceptions. So I decided to put this course together. I've had a few questions and a few requests for this as well. And I saw what was out there on the market and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna create something that's so transparent that it's gonna get the point across and you'll be absolutely clear by the end of this course exactly how to get a six-pack. If you're watching this as a woman, for you, it may not be that you want a six-pack, you just want to have those lines. You want to have those three nice vertical lines. So you'll be able to achieve that as well because you'll also have clarity about what it takes to get those lines. As I mentioned, I'm Brad, I'm the instructor, and I'm also a fitness model competitor. So I've been training for about 5 years, fairly consistently, and only very recently, I've been a fitness model competitor where only a few weeks ago I won my first ever fitness model competition, hence the trophies behind me. And so I know how to get very lean. I know what it takes to get a six-pack. I have one. I've maintained it for a long time now. And so I'm here to tell you right now, there are no secrets. There are no magic potions or bullets or shortcuts or any of that crap. I'm here to tell you in this series what it really takes. So as a fitness model competitor, I know exactly what's required to get a six-pack because we're marked on this by the judges to have a very well-developed six-pack and be able to smile and connect with the audience and that kind of stuff. So that's a short introduction. You'll get great value from this. If you have any questions, you can always reach me directly. I'm the most humble and approachable person you'll ever meet. So reach me directly with any questions. I'm more than happy to help you out. I'll flash up those details on your screen right now. Enjoy this course. Please review it, rate it, write a few sentences about what you like about it. It also helps me. I read every comment, I read every review, and it does help boost this course and spread awareness. Thanks again. Enjoy the course.